Jai Hind students, welcome to back in computer class. Topic is Microsoft Word. You have already learned how can you start MS Word, what is the MS Word, and will known and about the different toolbar of MS Word. Now our topic is today is how can you create a new document. How can create a new document. I want to share my screen to show it some important elements of MS Word. Click on start button and choose the MS Word, and then after is the features of MS Word. It is a file, tab menus are there, tab menu, file tab, home tab, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing, revive and view. These are the tabs, and these are the groups: clipboard, font, paragraphs, styles, editing and many others ones are group. And this is the title bar. It is the title bar, and this is the quick access toolbar. It is here. It is a quick access toolbar. It is a customized access toolbar where you have to add or delete, but here is a given which are shown here, that is a quick access toolbar, and it is a file tab. These are the ribbons where it has included. These are the ribbons. Suppose you want to see, there is a ribbons from here to here one group, and here to here this group. These are the called the ribbons. And this is the dialog box launcher. It is a dialog box launcher. It is a font dialog box launcher. It is a paragraph dialog box launcher. It is a style dialog box launcher. Means this symbol, this icon is shown dialog box launcher, and below there is a given this is the status bar. It is the status bar. See, it is a blank area which you can see easily. It is a document area. This white page has shown is document area. If I have to maximize it, you can see easily. It is a now it is a in 30% is zooming position is here, 40%. This is the document area. White page shown as your document area where you have to type or insert pictures. And now these are the views buttons: read view, print out layout view. These are the views button, and it is a zoom control where you have to zoom, increase. You can see easily. See, there is the area is increases. 100% is a zoom area, zoom control. Now creating a new document. A blank document always opens when you start Microsoft Word, but suppose that you want to start another new document while you are working on another document, or you close already open document and want to start a new document. First we can click the file tab and select new option. When you select new option, from the first column it will be display a list of icon, and then after click on blank document icon, which is very first option. The first document after starting MS Word is a blank document. It is named as document 1. When you click on blank document icon, which is very first option, blank document open and is ready to accept your text. I want to share my screen to see with carefully. I want to just start my new document of MS Word. Just click on start button and choose the Microsoft Word. Window will be appear here, and then after you can choose the blank document. Yes, it has opened. I want to just start my new document of MS Word. Just click on start button and choose the Microsoft Word. Window will be appear here, and then after you can choose the blank document. Yes, it has opened. But if you want to see, there is a given document 1. Its name by default it has. If you want to see, there is a given document 1. Its name by default it has created by the Microsoft company. It is a default by 1 document 1. Now if you want to start another new document while you are working on another document, or you closed already open document and want to start a new document, click on the file tab. It is a file tab. Then after given here option is the new option, click on new. Then again it will be open. Here is a given new, and choose the blank document. When you have to select new option from the first column, it will display a list of icons. It is a list of icons, and you have to choose this one first and click on blank document icon, which is very first option. Now you can see easily your new document has been opened. The first document after starting MS Word is blank document. It is a blank document. It is named as document 1 or document 2. Yes, it is a document 1 I have opened first, and when you have to open the second one, suppose I have to second new, click on new, second document, blank document. Now you can see easily it is a third, second one already it has opened. Okay, maybe you have understood. Insert text in a document. How can insert text in a document? When a new document appear on the screen, you will be see a blinking cursor in it at the start of the document. You can start typing your text. When you start typing, the blinking cursor automatically move to the right after typing the letters. When the line becomes full of words, it automatically shifts to next line. You can also press enter if you want to type from the new line. When you continue typing a document, MS Word automatically transfer a long word from the end of one line to the beginning of the next line. Or you can press enter key if you want to type from the new line. Yes, I want to typing here some sentence. I want to type here like, yes, you can start typing your text. When you start typing, the blinking cursor automatically moves to the right after typing the letters. When the line becomes full of words, it automatically shifts to the next line. When you continue typing a document, Microsoft Word automatically transfer a long word from the end of one line to the beginning of the next line. Or you can also press enter key if you want to type from the new line. I want to share my screen to see it with carefully how can cursor is blinking and shift right side when you have to typing your text. Yes, choose the blank document and open that one and type here, dear students, copy and moving text. MS Word allow you to copy text that is already in your document and paste it to other area of the document, which can save you time. If there is a text that you wish to move from one area of the document to another, you can cut and paste or drag and drop the text. MS Word saves the documents with the .docx extension. It is the newest version. If your version is old, that is a .doc, and newest versions is .docx. To copy and paste text, first you have to select copy text, create a duplicate of the text, select the text which you want to copy, then after click the copy command on the home tab also, or you can choose the shortcut key Ctrl+C. Now you can also right click the select text and select the copy from the pop-up menu, and then place the insertion point where you want to paste it, the text, and click the paste command on the home tab, or you can use the shortcut key for the paste Ctrl+V to save it, to paste it, and to copy and paste text. Select the text which you want to cut, click the cut command on the home tab, or also you can right click and the selected text and select cut from pop-up menu, or you can also use the shortcut key for that one, Ctrl+X. Then after place your insertion point where you want to paste it, click the paste command on the home tab, the text will appear, or you can also use the shortcut key for that paste command Ctrl+V to paste it. I want to show here copy and paste text. Suppose I want to copy of the text. First select the text and choose the option from the home tab. Then there is a copy option is here, choose the copy, or you can see the shortcut key also given Ctrl+C, and copy option, choose the copy, and then where you want to paste in the documents and choose the again where you want to paste. To copy and paste text, copy text, create a duplicate of the text, select the text which you want to copy. I want to copy of the this student's text is here, and then after click the copy command on the home tab, copy command. Also can right click on the selected text and select the copy from the pop-up menu, or you can also right click of the mouse button. First select it and right click of the mouse button, and copy option will be from the pop-up menu, and or also select the text and hold the control button and press the C button to copy. And where you want to paste is, suppose I want to paste on the new line, and choose the paste option from the home tab, or you can also paste option from the right click and choose the paste option from here, or you can control plus V for the paste, or you can also click on the paste. Means you can copy one time and paste unlimited time. The text will be appear at the desired location. How can cut and paste text? I want to cut from this sentence from here and paste here. How? Select the text or sentence or paragraph or whole document and choose the cut option. Our shortcut key for this one, Control plus X. Or you can also select the text or sentence and right click, pop-up menu will be appear and choose the cut option. And then how can you paste? You can also click on here from the File tab menu, Home tab, and choose the Paste command on the Home tab. Or you can also hold the Control key plus V, means then after press the V for paste. Yes, I want to see here, paste. Yes, very simple. Select the text which you want to copy, cut. I want to select this text. I want to copy from cut from here and right click and cut it. I want to paste here, and then after you can select the Home tab, or you can also right click and paste option, choose that one, it will be appear. Learn the shortcut key. First, Control plus C to copy. Control plus C for copy. Control plus V for paste. Control plus V for paste. Control X for cut, or you can move. Control plus X to cut, to move your text or documents text. How can you drag and drop the text? It is just like copy option, but how can you drag and drop the text? I want to share my screen to show it. See with carefully. Dragging and dropping text allows you to use the mouse to move text. First, select the text which you want to move. I want to move this text from here to other one. Click the drag the text to the location where you want to it appear. Yes, I want to drag this text from here. Suppose I have to select it and take it and move to your where you want to drag this. I want to keep on here. Below the cursor, just below the mouse pointer, you can see that is a drag option is there. I want to paste this. I want to drag this text here. Click the drag the text to the location where you want to appear. The cursor will be have a rectangular position under to indicate that you are moving text, and release the mouse button. The text will appear at the new location. Now you can see your V has editing a document. The first step is to create a document in MS Word 2013. You can create a new document by starting from a blank document. Powerful editing and reviving tools in MS Word help you make your document perfect. Editing of document includes the following things: copy, cutting and pasting the text, formatting of text, formatting of documents with header and footers, page numbering, autocorrect features, replacing incorrect spelling using spelling check tool. Now, how can you close a document? When you finish work in a document, you have to closing a document, remove it from your computer screen. Click the File tab and select the Close option. When you select Close option, and if document is not saved before closing, it will display following warning box asking whether the document should be saved or not. Click on Save button to save changes, otherwise click Don't Save button. I want to show here, you can see easily.
I want to see my screen. Please see it with carefully.
Suppose I want to close these files and click on File tab and choose the Close option. When you have to click on the Close option, if your document is not saved before your closing, the dialogs will be appear like this type. Want to save your changes to ASDF, it is the file name. If you click Don't Save, a recent copy of the file will be temporarily available. And Don't Save, if you want, click Save button to save changes, otherwise click on Don't Save button. It is the depend on you. If I have to save that one, don't save. See, See, I have not saved that file. My original file is here, where I have to move many cuts and paste option using this document. And now, how can you open a document? Okay students, maybe you have understood how can you open a new document and use the copy, cut and paste option. How can save your files when you have to finish your work, or how can you close your documents when you finish your work. If you want to click on the save buttons, otherwise you can save also. Take care and bye bye.